have 1,000 customers, but you cannot really send the same WhatsApp message to everyone. This is where many businesses get it wrong. They collect the list of phone numbers, create a promotional message, and start sending it to everyone. But here's the problem. Not every phone number is automatically a WhatsApp marketing contact. If people haven't given you permission to receive message, sending them promotional content can lead to complaints, poor engagement, and potentially risking your WhatsApp account getting blocked. And even when the customers have opted in, you still need to make sure that you're sending the relevant message to the right audience and the following WhatsApp messaging requirement. Okay, this is the problem, but now what's the solution? You do not have to stop bulk WhatsApp marketing. You just have to do it the right way. Collect proper customer consents, maintain an opt-in contact list, and use an appropriate approved message format. And once you have all the foundations in place, you need the simple way to actually manage these campaigns. And that's where Pabbly Chatflow comes in. With Pabbly Chatflow, you can manage your WhatsApp contacts, create message templates, organize your audience, and send WhatsApp campaign without manually messaging every customer one by one. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages legally and responsibly, and I'm just going to provide you the solution for all the problems which I mentioned, so please stick to this video till the end. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Using Pabbly Chatflow, you can run your entire business on WhatsApp, and the main point is that we are powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API. This is going to make your number getting blocked chances very low. We are official meta tech provider. And you know what's the best part? That we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow right now. So you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free. So let's see how to do this. You just have to click on the sign up for free to try it for free. Once you click on the sign up for free, you can log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your dashboard, and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. I have already added my WhatsApp number. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, you can simply refer to the video tutorial given on your dashboard. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number, it is also attached in the description box below, or if you want, you can just comment and ask for that. I'll share it to you. Okay, now once you add your WhatsApp number, let's see how we can send bulk WhatsApp messages. For that, from the left hand of the side, you have to come on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. Now you just have to choose the broadcast type and mention the broadcast name. So I'm just going to keep the broadcast name as new offers to, and as you can see, this is the broadcast type, which is broadcast campaign. Now comes the main part, which is selecting the audience. So over here, you can simply select the existing contact list which you have already created, or you can also upload the CSV file of the contacts directly over here. Apart from that, if you want to learn how to select the contact list, then for that you first have to create the contact list. From the left hand of the side, go on this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow. From here, you can create your contact list. You just have to choose your contact list right over here. For the relevant message, make sure to select the relevant contact list so that they do not report or complain about you. Okay. Apart from that, if you have a particular CSV file, you can upload it right over here directly. Okay, now let's just move on further. You can also select multiple contact lists if you want. Now let's just move on further. Over here, it is asking me to exclude the specific contact list. So if you want to exclude some specific contact list, you can select it right over here. Apart from that, if you want to exclude some particular contacts, you think that this is not the relevant one to receive this WhatsApp message, you can simply exclude it over here. This is a very useful feature. Apart from that, you can exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window so that they don't receive a reductant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. So if you want, you can switch on this button right over here. The next is this select message type. So you can use a pre-approved template message. So what you have to do is, from the left hand of the side, go in this template section, create a template, and then Meta is going to approve your template. Once Meta is going to approve your template, then you have to select the WhatsApp template right over here which you want to send. Apart from that, once the Meta approves your template, it becomes more reliable. So sending bulk WhatsApp messages using templates become more reliable and you can say the chances of number getting blocked gets less because of this template message. Apart from that, if you don't want to send the template message, you can go for regular message too. Over here you can select the message type and then simply enter the message according to your own choice. You can simply enter this message, like let's say I want to send this message, so I've mentioned this message right over here. What is going to happen is, let's say you receive a WhatsApp message and you have your name in that WhatsApp message. You are going to feel that this WhatsApp message is personalized for you, right? So just mention the name of the lead in the WhatsApp message. How can you do this? Because this is going to change for every lead, right? So in order to specifically mention the name, you just have to type $name, so that what is going to happen is this $name is going to be replaced with the name of the lead or the customer every time, because this is going to be created as a dynamic value. If you want to learn more about this dynamic values and contact custom fields, then you can check out the settings video given in the description box below. You will let know about this more. But over here, if you specifically want to keep name as dynamic, you can use $name like this. Okay, as you can see, I've entered my message. In this message, if I want to bold some text, I can simply add the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold, like this simply. Apart from that, I can move on further. Over here is the contact name and the mobile number. So before sending this WhatsApp message to multiple clients and customers at once, you can simply test it. You can enter your WhatsApp mobile number and your name, and then you can simply click on the send test message. It is saying test message sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and as you can see, this is the message which I have received, which has my name and also the WhatsApp message. It looks perfectly fine, so I can send it to everyone. If you want, you can simply edit this message after that too, and after editing, you can also send the test message again and again until you are satisfied. After that, you can schedule this broadcast for later. So go on this yes schedule for later and select the date and time according to your own choice directly from the calendar right over here. Let's say I want to schedule this for 24th of August 2 p.m. So I'm just going to select the same. If you want to send this instantly, you can go on this no send instantly and then add button, and it will be sent instantly. I'm just going to schedule it right over here. Now after scheduling this, I'm just going to move on further. It is saying automatically retry for failed contacts. What is this? So let's say you have 50 contacts in your list to whom you want to send this WhatsApp message. I'm just taking it as an example. 240 the message is sent, but for 10 the message got failed. Then what you can do is you can simply automatically retry for failed contacts. You have to switch on this toggle button and select the number of retries and the wait between the retries. It is going to wait and retry till they receive the message. It totally depends upon you if you want to do this, or if you do not want to do this, you can just edit the settings over here. I'm just going to retry only once, and the wait will be 12 hours. So I've selected the same. The wait can be from 12 to 72 hours, and over here you can also select the number of retries as maximum 3. Then you have to click on this add button, and once you click on this add button, your broadcast is scheduled. Just click on this add broadcast button once again, and yes, you can see this is scheduled for 24th of August 2 p.m. and it will be sent on this date and time. Once this is sent, I can view the stats of the broadcast too. How many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. And like this, I can check the marketing campaigns work. So like this, you can send bulk WhatsApp message the legal way. And apart from that, if you like Pabbly Chatflow and if you want to purchase the subscription plan, this amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT, is going to get you a very heavy discount. So don't forget this. Apart from that, if you have any queries, just drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.